What's up, everyone? Chanel here, eastla.na on IG, coming to you from beautiful sunny Southern California, showing you my 2016 Harley Davidson Deluxe. Beautiful baby. I'm a fairly new rider, and this is my first motorcycle. Go big or go home, right? I bought this bike exactly how it is, stock, beautiful. I didn't think that there was much that I needed to add to it for now. I'm a mobile notary public, so you don't know, I have things that I carry, right? I used to ride around with a backpack on my back, and it's heavy, it's clunky, it wasn't comfortable. This is a monster that I'm riding right here, and it's not a monster, she's a beauty. She's a beautiful, heavy, powerful monster. And so I would ride around, right, with a backpack, and in my backpack I would have things like my laptop, my journal, my supplies, my purse, my makeup, all kinds of things. So shout out to Big Fella, my uncle on IG, who he's in the motorcycle community, and I was telling him my problem. I love riding, but I ride with a backpack and it's heavy shit. It's just a lot of stuff, right? And he was telling me, yo, check out Vikingbags, or a company that primarily focuses on saddlebags. So I checked them out, and honestly, Vikingbags, shout out Kathy at Vikingbags, shout out to the entire Vikingbags team. You guys are amazing, right? I didn't know what I was looking for. All I knew is that I didn't want to have to ride with my backpack anymore with my laptop on me. Like, it was too much, right? So he had me look online, and I checked it out. And these are the Pantheon medium size bike material, high quality, water resistant Viking leather side saddlebags. Ta-da! And they're great. There's a lot of room. So they come sold in pairs. I think they're sold online for about $279. They used to be $3 and some change, so they might be on sale. Jump on them, really jump on them, because they are worth it. So shout out Kathy, thank you, Vikingbags team. I mean, look at my motorcycle. Are you gonna tell me this is not beautiful? I wasn't sure about the two-tone, right? I didn't know if I was, but no, I love it. I love that this I love that this leather matches my Saddleman seat. I love it. It goes, and it's me, my little red hope that my lovely little nephew added. So I mean, it's great, right? And what greater to have these bags. So let's get into it. Back to these. They're sold in pairs. I like that they have locks. The locks give you peace of mind. I'm able to park my bike, put my camera, leave my things, leave my shades, my gloves, my bandanas. You're able to hold up to 39 cans. What? 39 cans, say less, right? High quality leather. They're roomy. They're water resistant. They're easy to install. The hardware comes included. You don't have to go out to any other shop and find bits, parts, and pieces. It already comes included. It comes with the brackets, the spacers, and the nuts, the bolts. What you are gonna need maybe another set of hands to help you even it out, hold it up, drill it in, bolt it down. You are gonna need some measuring tape to get the dimensions right. You are going to need a drill. You are going to need things that I wouldn't have known if it wasn't for my brother-in-law. So shout out to all the iron workers of America. He helped me install these. I'm not going to take the credit. But you are going to need two hands. You are going to need two people. You're going to need to help somebody. You're going to need to have somebody help you hold them up, level them out. If you have a little crooked eye, it's okay. Just get another set of eyes and they can help you out. So like I said, they're weather resistant. Come with the hardware. I love that. This latch right here, it folds up for convenience at you. In, you're locked. Fold out, and I like that they fold out so it's not in the way, right? Come in different sizes. There's different styles. This is the Pantheon. The Pantheon is the one that comes with these two little side pouches. It's spacious enough to hold your phone, some more glasses, your camera, throw us some chonies, you know, a pair of socks, fold up a hat, get a sweater in here. If you're like me and you're on two wheels and you run a side business, you know, it's a perfect addition to your bike. It gets the luggage off of your back, and I love that. I love that about these. Like I said, I wasn't sure about the two-tone, but I love it. I mean, it's amazing. They're great. I have no complaints. I love that they lock. I like that they're weather resistant. I can ride through different terrains and I'm not gonna worry about it. It has a hard case. It's bike quality, high quality Viking leather. You're gonna tell me my motorcycle isn't pretty? You're gonna tell me these don't look like good, high quality bags? They are. They're great. They're amazing. And they're in my price point. I live in Southern California. Do you know how expensive it is down here? Do you know what we have to go through, baby, to live under the palm trees in a beautiful home with a beautiful machine, with beautiful family? It's great. So shout out again, Kathy, Vikingbags, big fella, IG, my uncle, mi tío. If it wasn't for my uncle, I wouldn't have known about Vikingbags. But now that I know, I want everyone to know how great they are. And I'm not lying. Ask the people that love me. Ask people that know me. It's May approved. East LA approved. Look at. Really quick recap, right? Pantheon, medium, hardwood included, weatherproof, done. Ease of access, perfect, secure, yes. Pockets, who doesn't love pockets? They're great. Kathy, thank you.